Hey guys, it's David, or DCM17, whatever you like to call me, and today we have a very special video. So, you guys may be wondering, how do I really make Sprite Comics? Well, it usually depends on the subject, on what kind of scene you're trying to create. So, step one, most formally, what you need to do is just go online to find a scene creator game. Now, hang on, let me just see. Alright. So I'll just go ahead and allow. Wait, can I just reload? Okay. So you just go to the scene. I'm gonna mute that because I think that's copyrighted music. I do apologize if that music is copyrighted. Anyways, let's just get rid of that. Alright. So the scene creator is just very simple. So, first of all, you just have to create the scene itself. Depending on what kind of background you want. Like if you want this one, and let's say like you want an epic chase scene. So, let me just resize some of the characters. And then, how about... Okay. Now that we create our scene, it goes into step 2, where we have to take a picture of the scene. So, what you want to do is... what you want to do is press Home and Alt, and then press Home and Alt at the same time, and then you press Print Select, and that basically saved your image. After that, you can just go in your files, and once you do... Okay, don't know why there's a video there. I've never seen that before. Now what you want to do is go to Edit with Photos, so that way you can resize the image to make it look like a scene without the extra stuff. What you have to do is just crop the picture to make it look just right. So you basically have to hide all the extra parts of the actual page, since you did take a picture of the page itself. And then you just save the image, and boom, you're done. Now we go to step 2 of the Now we go to step, no, not step 2. This is, step 3 or 4. Now we go to the next step, where you go and, let's just make it a custom Google Slides page. So let's just get rid of this. Close that off. Now what we want to do is to go in the files, and boom. So yeah, this right here we have a so this is basically step 4, where you just place the image in. Now, of course, here comes the interesting part. If you want to add like a bit of epic dialogue to the scene, what you want to do is, depending if it's like a narrator of some kind, what you want to do is first you have to make a box that is basically around this size. Once you make a perfect size box, you could color it whatever color you want. depending on which character is talking, you would want to change the font and such. Oh wait, hang on, let me retype that. And of course, yeah, something like that. Now, there is a warning that that just in case you guys are new to this channel, one warning that I should remind you with. You'll notice how I'm actually creating all this with Google Chrome. There was actually an announcement that the company of Google Chrome will discontinue the Flash in the Google Chrome things. So just try to do your work as elegantly as possible with few mistakes. But anyways, hope you guys enjoyed this video. And as always, make sure you like and subscribe for more epic content like this. Click the notification bell for daily videos to be reminded towards you, as well as join my Discord server. Just send me the friend request of DCM17, and I will accept the request. Until next time, fellow phantoms.